Here's a quick review on this clear Gadget case for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is the one that has the finger holder as well as a kickstand. Now here's the case here, and it's kind of like a plastic feel. And you have this little white thing on here. What you want to do is just go ahead and take this off. You can just pop it right off, just like that. And then you go ahead and grab your holder here. And what you want to do is look for this little top line up there. You can see that line, and you can see this arrow pointing up. Slide to unlock. You press that up. Okay, if we want to attach it, we're just going to go and put it over here like this. Just make sure it's in, and then turn it clockwise, and it locks. Just like that. If you want to take it off, just press up and go clockwise. Like that. Put it back on. Just make sure it's on there. Nice and flush, and then turn it counterclockwise. Till you hear a click. And now it's locked. Now we can put the phone in now with this on there. It doesn't matter. This can be on or off, okay? Before you put your phone in, I would suggest, you know, all around the phone edges, you have this little plastic. You have 4 plastics around all sides here, okay? You can see all right here. There's even another one piece over here. Take that off because it just makes it a little bit easier taking out of the case, okay? So we put it in the case. We're going to put the button side in first, just like this. All right, and then we're going to slide this other side in, pop it in just like that, and it's super responsive. And the buttons are covered here, as you can see. And taking a look under here, you can see you still got the S Pen right there. It's a little bit exposed right there, and it's not slippery. Feels pretty good in the hand. So basically, I mean, you can close it or you can open it. You can put 2 fingers on there. If you want to take a selfie as well, you can put it in like this and do the selfie as well. And of course, it's a kickstand too. So you can put it like this. You can go down like this, all the way like this. You can even turn it over this way as well. You can go up or down. You just can't go vertically, okay? The only issue I have with this case is it is a pain to take off, okay? I mean, to take it off, you basically have to like take this part off first, and then you kind of have to like pry it out, okay? I mean, that's the only downfall with this here, okay? And the same thing, you can still take it off even if you have it on here. Just press up, and then we'll turn it clockwise, and just pop it off, okay? Now wirelessly charging, okay? You can't wirelessly charge with this thing on here because when you put it on there, I mean, even if you put it down like this, it's not going to charge, okay? So you have to take this off. So open it up. The arrow is pointing up. Hold it up like that. Turn it clockwise a little bit. Oops. Let's go ahead and there we go. And then just pop it out. And now when we put it on there, it should charge no problem. Okay. And also it says fast wirelessly charging. All right. So there you guys go. Any questions or issues? Comment below. Good luck.